Alright, I got an Echo QV8000. This was a fire department saw. The fire department kept it in their trucks all the time. As you can see, it's got scratches on it, but that's all. Probably, I bet you don't have 10 hours, complete hours use on it. And took off the old hook nose bar and put a regular 24-inch bar and new chain. I'm gonna start it up for you. This saw here is in good shape. Real good shape. So bear with me a minute. The saw hadn't been started in over a month. I was waiting for the bar and chain and stuff to come in. It's a powerful saw. It's in absolutely excellent condition. It's got some scratches on the bar cover. Not too bad as a few scratches here, but other than that, it's a solid saw. It's got the easy pull handle on it. Nonetheless, like I say, it's a good saw. Been taken good care of, been serviced. Always had True Fuel in it from day one. And but this is it.